In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam _ API 64.dll missing. First thing you want to do is go here and type in cmd, right click and then run as administrator. Here you will write the following command: dism/online/cleanupimage/restore and then press enter. Then write the second command sfc/scannow. So once you press enter, this will scan through your computer system files. It will fix any missing DLL folders, and once it's done, you want to restart your computer and see if this fixes the issue. If you're still having issues, then I suggest you open Google Chrome, and here you will type the name of the missing file. So it's a DLL file, so you can just put it here, then type next to it download. Over here, you're just gonna go to the first website here, and here you'll notice that you have these versions. So what you need is just to download the latest version. So make sure you are choosing the version at the very top. This is the latest one. Just click download and download it. So as you can see, this website is also glitching, so I'll just leave this website. I'll go to the next one. So we just need to download the file. So it seems like this website is glitching, so let's download it from this website. Here you will see the versions the same way, and make sure you choose the latest version. So go to details and then download. Once the file downloads, now go and open it in downloads. So here's the folder, so you just need to extract it. And then we can just place this over here. So let me just minimize this, and I'll just place this like this. So here is the folder that we need. So you're gonna go to this PC, C drive. Then here you'll go to Windows. Over here you'll see System32. So if you're using a 64-bit computer, so if you want to know what computer you're using, go to here and you'll see the computer you're using. So here I'm using 64-bit. And if you're using 64-bit, then you simply have to drag this folder here. Just grab it and drag it, then click continue, then go back, then go inside syswow64. Do the same thing, just drag it and grab it and drag it, then continue, and then you can just go back here. And if you were using a 32-bit computer, then all you have to do is just drag this folder inside of System32, and that's it. You don't need to drag it here. After this, you want to check if this works. So before checking, try restarting your computer and check if it works. However, if you're still having issues, then you want to go here to Google Chrome again, and here type in Visual C++ redistributable and then download. Go to the first link here, and then you want to download the latest version. So download the 32-bit version and then 64-bit version. So run the installer for both the 32-bit and 64-bit. Just a simple installation, click install, and once you're done, run the installer for the next one. Click yes, continue, and everything. And after this, try restarting your computer, and hopefully this fixes your issue.